Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out here. We are just about to start doing the CV boot. So basically we've got to take off the CV boot, yeah, and apparently if it's been ripped already, like the dirt and like any grit and shit can get inside the CV boot and basically like fuck up the joint or something. So before I just started packing it out, so I'm gonna take all that shit out basically, and put new grease in. My dad said it should be alright, but I'll see if I can take as much out as I can and I'll repack it in that. Let's do it. Dun, dun. It's getting marks right now. Pushing it over a bit. She says I might do a bit better. Coil's looking so fucking fresh. She's changed the other one. Just about to see the back blue ones. Anyway. Wide line turbo. Crazy. So anyway, I've pushed this bit back from like there to there, and I'm just trying to get this bit off of there. So once I've done that, then we're on. Oh god. So I've got it off. Just need to work out how to get it off of there now. Just need to cut it off or something. Maybe if I bring it down out of the way a little bit, it might make it easier. I don't know. Oh, you can see the rip in it there. Is that a rip in it? Yeah, that's that big rip. So yeah, that's the CV boot. I don't know if that looks fucked or not. I suppose so. Progress report. So I've got that bit ripped, that top bit, so I should be able to rip it all the way down and take off now, hopefully.
Oh, I've got shit all in my hair now. Fuck's sake. Sorry about that. Let's see if we can. Oh, please just rip down it. No, it's just ripping round. It's not going to rip down it. Fuck's sake. This one's ripping down now. I'll come back in a sec. I'll clean that side. Look at this one. Fucking hell.
So let's go and get this shit and we'll crack on with this.
That should get us through it, I reckon. She fucking blows. Oh, mate, there she fucking is. Alright, let's get this back on. I still need to take off that metal thingy there unless I can keep it on and use it again. Also, I need to get that glue on it and then try and zip tie it in place. I've greased it up extra more. Some more grease in there and that. I'll probably put a bit more on that side as well. And yeah, we'll get the zip ties on and that. But I'm just going to pack that out some more. And then yeah, zip ties and glue. Still super glued. Don't know if it will stay, but we'll see. Stressful shit, man. Cut that extra bit off on both sides because it was a bit too big. That's a good size. It's about the size as the one before. Yeah, so that last one was well blurry. I think that's packed out enough.
But basically, I'd started doing this already. This is now like day 3 of doing this, because I'd done like, spent like 2 days on it, part days. I had been doing other jobs as well. So we'll start from the beginning, like the first couple, and now we're gonna fucking just finish this up, mate. Do you get me? Too much of a beast, boys. Legitness. Oh shit. No. Oh, that's so peak. Oh no. That side looks so dirty. Definitely do need to clean it up. Fuck's sake. Thought I'd done it. That's peak, bro. But basically, yeah, we're on this. It's mission complete. It's happening, bro. Yeah, we got another bit of welding, spot of welding to do, maybe 2 spots of welding to do, tire changes, and we're out here. We're gonna be on road, active as fuck. Do you know what I'm saying? So